Hi, Nikki here with WTI. I want to share with you today why I think these self-sealed invitation envelopes are so great. And they've also made letter writing a little bit more fun and letting you get a little creative with it. So, first of all, there's a pack of 100, so it's a great value. And each one has a self-sealed strip. So it's great for people like me who hate licking that seal closed. And then you have that nasty taste in your mouth for hours after, it seems. So these are so easy to use. You just simply put a letter or card in, you pull paper seal back off, and then you press firmly for a good seal. The material used is thick, so it's really nice because then it gives you a little more privacy. People can't see through and see what you're sending to ones. Another thing I like to do is give my own personal touch by coloring or putting designs on the outside to give it that little something extra to the one that I'm sending it to. So if you're looking for envelopes for 5x7 cards or maybe invitations, then you're definitely going to want to check these out. That's just my point of view.